Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to be here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Penninah the Grace. You are welcome in the home of grace. In this channel, I share my life journey as a housemaid. So kindly press on that red button that says subscribe, click on the bell so that next time when I'll be uploading another video, you will get notified. So before we start our today's video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking them. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your good comments. You people are so amazing. And may God Almighty bless you for me. You people, I don't know what I can say, but thank you so much, okay? Yes, I want you to know that I really appreciate you so much. So in today's video, I want to talk about how you can ship your things. How you can ship your things from Saudi Arabia to Kenya. Yes, it is too cold, guys. I don't know the other side. I don't know you people how you are, but this side it is still too cold, very cold. And yeah, so but we must keep moving, we must keep moving. This won't stop us at all, especially me. When it is cold, my nose blocks, I feel a lot of headache. And yes, but this one won't stop us. We must keep going, okay? Yeah, so according to my experience, if you want to ship your things back from Saudi Arabia to Kenya, because I'm a Kenyan, okay? So I'm talking to Kenyans, so I don't know other people, but yes, that is what I will share with you today. So according to my experience, and then from my experience, you will see if you can ship your things or you can see a better way, okay? Okay, so like let me say, like it's like before I shipped my things, I went back for vacation, and my vacation, I had two bags. Two bags. Let me say three bags. Two bags, and one was small, like a handbag, and then the two were the ones to pull down. So actually, when you're flying back at home, you are being given like 30 kgs, okay? That is free. Let me say, I don't know if it's a bonus or, okay, it's free kgs. The free kgs that you're being given is 30 kgs, okay? So I was told like I should have a luggage of 30 kgs, and yeah, so that is what I had. And when I traveled back at home, so I had nothing like difficulties. So I traveled well, because my luggage was not even that much, because I was rushing back at home because my mom passed away. So I had like 27 kgs, so I went safely. So after I came back, there was some things that I needed to ship back for my children, okay? So I was like, now what will I do? Because I knew like I will take like quite some time for me to go back at home. So and I needed something for my kids like very fast. So you know what I did? I asked my friends how they normally ship their things. So some of them told me that we ship through the sea, okay? Inaenda na meli. Inaenda na meli, okay? So it will travel by the sea like 1 month. So I was like, no, I don't want this one to go like 1 month. So which will be the quicker or the better way? So one of them told me like I can try with these shippers. They ship things, they call themselves like Express. So Express, they have an office, I think in Dammam. I don't know all the places, but by then I was in Dammam. So now I'm talking about my experience. So I went to their office with my luggage, and then they will weigh your luggage and then tell you how much kgs they are. And because they ship things with the aeroplane, so they will tell you if the kgs are more than 20, you must split them, okay? We split them into two, okay? So like mines were weighed, and they were 27 kgs. So I was supposed to tow 7 kgs to put 7 kgs separately, and then 20 kgs to go separately, and that is what I did. So those 27 kgs, how much did I pay? Okay, I paid 300 reals. 300 reals. They 320 something. Okay, 320 something. They were not like 350 by then. They were less. Let me say they were less than 350 reals. So by then it was around that money. If you convert by then, the rate was at 25. The rate was at 25. So it is that 300 times 25. That is the money that I use to ship 27 kgs, okay, back at home. So another thing, like recently, everybody has been asking, Penninah, when are you going back home? Unaenda nyumbani lini? Have you gone back home? Okay, these things I wanted to ship them again. Okay, I wanted to ship them again, and I wanted a better way, like, because last time I used a flight to ship my things. So this time I wanted to have an experience of shipping by ship. So this is another organization. So if I remember the name, can you imagine? I have just forgotten even the name. So if I remember the name, I will tell you I will pin it in the comment section. Okay, so they will come in your house. No matter how many bags you have, even if you have 10 bags, any amount, that any bags that you have, okay, so they will come where you are, and their offices are in Dammam, in Jeddah, and Riyadh. So those are the places where they have their offices. So they will come in your house, and then they will take the bags, and then they will weigh them while you see, and then from there they will charge you, okay, per kg. If you stay in Mombasa, you are lucky. Per kg they charge 11 reals. That is 1 kg. So if you are staying outside Mombasa, like me, I stay outside Mombasa, which is in Eldoret. So they charged me kg. They charged 15 reals. 15 reals. So that is how it was. So I shipped my things. Okay, so I won't tell you like how many kgs I shipped, but I want to tell you like every kg. Okay, if you live Mombasa, let me say if you live within Mombasa, you are lucky. The kgs will be weighed. 1 kg is 11 reals. And if you live outside Mombasa, it will be charged 15 reals per kg, which is, according to me now, according to me, okay, I don't want to discourage you, okay? I don't want to discourage you, but if it is possible, if you are under contract, okay? If you are under contract and you have even like 10 bags, don't worry about your 10 bags, okay? Just be with your bags. Don't ship them before you go back at home. The day that you are traveling, just go with your bags. Then they will weigh. They will give you your 30 kgs, the free ones, and then on the top, the ones that will be exceed, okay, the ones that will be more, the kgs that will exceed, they will charge you. I think this is the better way. That for me, that is the advice that I can give you, because I shipped with the ship. I saw it was expensive, because 1 kg, if it is 15 reals, and what about if you want to ship like 90 kgs? You see, it's a lot of money. It is just a waste of money. So, but me, I did that because according to my condition or the situation, I will let you know, guys, some days, okay? I'll let you know the reason why I shipped the luggage. Please, just do as I say. Don't even be in a rush. If you know that you want to travel back at home, just stay with your bags, and then the day that you're traveling, go with your bags. They will tell you how many kgs, and then they will charge you, and this one will be the cheapest. Yes. So guys, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with friends. And don't forget to ask anything that you want to know more. I will explain, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.